Today I'm going to show you the difference of the slices that are out there. The infill and the support material that each slicer does. Here in front of me I have 4 boxes. Each one was made individually by one different machine and different slicers. This one here was done with a Leapfrog3D. This one here was done with Leapfrog Simplify3D slicer. This one was done with MakerBot, and this one was done with a CubeX Dual using Kiss slicer. Each one took a minimum time to build. I have the Leapfrog Simplify. Took 10.5 hours to build this thing with supports at 20% infill. This one using Leapfrog3D slicer at 25% infill. It took exactly 11 hours 8 minutes. The MakerBot Makerware Replicator 2 took 13 hours. The CubeX Dual with Kiss slicer, I'm still trying to mess with the adjustments and the settings on the Kiss slicer, but this box took actually 18 hours to build. A little bit too much time, but I'll narrow it down to make it work faster on the Kiss slicer. Overall finish, not bad using Kiss slicer. Now let's start with the Leapfrog3D. I find it strange that it built supports on the diamonds. None of the other slicers did, except for Makerware. It built a funny skirt on the inside all the way up. I don't understand why, but nothing in the diamonds. Also with Kiss slicer, no support on the diamonds, only Repeater. Now I'll show you how easy each of the supports come out. It's not too bad. On the Repeater, they come off very easily, as you can see. No problem removing it or going crazy trying to remove it, which is nice. And it doesn't bond to the plastic itself, to the model, which is beautiful. Let's see how the groove comes out. There's support in here also, which is not too bad. Comes out pretty easily. You don't have to go crazy. Okay. I've printed all these on different machines and different slices just to prove to myself and to show you the difference in support material and how easy it comes out. As you can see, this isn't too bad. It requires a little time, but overall it's pretty good. These come off fairly easily too, as you can see. Not bad. Doesn't harm the actual finish of the product. MakerBot Makerware is the red one. Let's see how easy this comes off. requires a little bit more effort than the Repetier. It looks like it bonds a little bit more. The skirt I'll remove. I don't know why it built this skirt. You know, all of them did build some sort of skirt inside, but this one went all the way up. I don't know why, but it did. Maybe I'll have to adjust the settings on the MakerWare. But they don't really give you an option like Simplify3D does, where you could remove and add support, which is a great feature in Simplify3D. Fairly alright, not too bad. I just don't understand why it did that. I'll get to that later. Now, on the Cube X Dual using KISS Slicer, it actually built the supports where it needed it. They also come out fairly easy. They're not too hard to mess with. Not too bad. Doesn't stick to the project with KISS Slicer. With the Cube X Slicer, it sticks to the project. Very hard to, it just bonds it. So as you can see, KISS Slicer is fairly easy, just like Simplify3D is. It's a very nice slicer for the cube or any machine you want to incorporate it in. So that's fairly easy. I'll clean it up a little better later. On the groove, it's a little bit more difficult. But not too bad. They snap right off, as you can see. On the Simplify3D, on the Leapfrog, I really like this slicer. The support material, it's just awesome the way it does it. It's awesome, like an accordion type of thing. Doesn't bond at all. See how easy this comes out. Simplify3D is just an awesome slicer. Beautiful. 1, 2, 3. No effort at all. Not like the other slicers. No wasting time, no nothing. The Leapfrog is an awesome machine. Prints fast. Faster now with Simplify3D. See, the groove didn't give me a problem at all. Not like the other slices. The other supports came up pretty easily on the bottoms and everything, but on the grooves it's just a little harder. But not too much of an effort. Got the support here. See how easy that came out? One shot. And look, beautiful clean finish. Simplify3D. Very nice. Very nice. Nothing left behind. Awesome finish. Exterior and interior. And that's with the Leapfrog. I highly recommend this machine. Very well built, fast and accurate. Detail, beautiful. But I do recommend you purchase Simplify3D for this machine instead of using the Repetier that it comes with. Even though it's okay, but it's just a little faster and a little better in detail, support and infill material. So there you have it. 4 different slicers This one was the Simplify3D on the Leapfrog. This one was the Repetier on the Leapfrog, which I still have to mess with the removing of the support, but it's still overall not too bad. This one was the Cube X Dual with Kit Slicer. The support is nice, doesn't give you a hard time either. As you can see, they pop right out, not a problem. Finally got the Cube X Dual to work with Kit Slicer correctly. I will finish that one later. And then of course you have the Makerware, where, like I said, it did this skirt all the way up. This also comes out very easily, not bad. You can see Makerware is nice. So there you go. Those are your 3 different slicers. My favorite choice, Simplify3D, and it does, and they do, and it works with many other printers, not just the Leapfrog. Also with replicators, MakerBot, Ultimakers, Deltas, anything you want to use it for. Thank you for watching.